Hello, this is Joel from the Relay team, and in today's video I want to talk about few changes of the new app if you are a EU customer for Relay. With getting the MiCA license last year in October, we are now able to implement a lot of new features for EU customers. And very importantly, this video is also addressed to you. For Swiss customers, different rules apply. First and foremost, I also made a video about this. You will now have the opportunity to send us your euros with a real-time transfer. I made a video about where you can find the new IBAN. And through that, you can obviously utilize the chance better to actually buy Bitcoin more or less in real time, depending a bit how fast your bank is. Additionally to that, if you are now a EU customer, you will also have the opportunity that if you buy and you send in the order, basically meaning you approved everything and you get to the overview screen where you will see our bank details, the price will be fixed. This is obviously an advantage in combination with real-time transfers. You can set the order if you are ready and send the money afterwards right away. The price is guaranteed at the time of when you created the order, and you will be able to not be arbitraged due to different price swings. Additionally to that fixed price, we also have another exciting announcement that for now, EU customers will be able to also trade with higher limits, meaning in a 30-day rolling window, if you've been successfully verified and ready to go, you can buy up to 50,000 euros per 30 days. Meaning if you want to capitalize on the chance where you can now send in real-time transfer us euros and you want to buy Bitcoin, you will have more opportunities to do so. Very importantly, last time, this is only for EU customers, meaning if you live in an EU country and you are verified with that address in the Relay app, you will be prompted to change over to Relay EU to then also use all of these capabilities and new features. If you're a Swiss user, same old rules still apply. And with that, we're at the end of this video. If you got questions, as always, I'm here for you in the comment section below this video. We are also on social media, or if you want to shoot us a message in our Relay app, please do so now. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And until then, I wish you a very nice day.